morning you guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 21. We are up and ready as you can see. I've just noticed when I was just before I pressed record how dark the ends of my hair look. You guys don't know, I had like quite short hair, probably like this time last year or a little bit before. I actually had it for like a year or so and I was dyeing it darker, and someone used like permanent dye as opposed to semi-permanent obviously, so the ends of my hair are still a little bit dark and a little bit kind of reddish as well. It looks really obvious in this light particularly. We are going to go out, I think, and go to somewhere to eat and drink and plan our weeks, get our bullet journals out and plug in all the stuff that we have to do this week, which is quite a lot as always. I want to talk to you guys quickly about something else. So today I'm partnering with read.co.uk, which is the UK's best known recruitment site. But yeah, I'm partnering with read.co.uk today because I have something really exciting to share with you. They are currently running a free draw where as a student you can get up to 50k of your student debt paid off by Read, which is so exciting. I know that lots of you guys started following me whilst I was at uni. You probably still are uni. Some of you, like me, have left uni and are starting to think about jobs, applying for jobs, and it's a tough thing to do, to come out of education, I think, when you've been in education for such a long time, and it can be really scary and overwhelming. I was just saying to my friend the other week that I think it's taken me about a year after my masters to actually just completely readjust into non-student life and to kind of get over not having that element and really understand working and being in a job. And yeah, it was a big long adjustment period. This time of year always reminds me of being a student as well, because obviously I started Vlogtober maybe in my second year at uni. I'd done Vlogmas for a few years already, but I think I started Vlogtober whilst I was at uni, and then they were kind of majority uni based. You know, October's that time when you've just come back, you haven't fully got into the worst parts of the term, at least I hadn't, with deadlines wise on my courses. And yeah, I did Vlogtober and it was really fun, and I feel like a lot of us all bonded over our university experience. But yeah, so Read wants to make life easier for students, and to not only in helping them find a job but also doing this free draw. So it's so exciting. I will leave links to everything down below, just so you know that the loans will have to be with the student loans company. Can't be like private loans or funding or anything like that. So I think those are the only caveats though, so you can go and sign up. I'll leave a link down below, and I really hope that you guys win. So yeah, that's everything. Obviously, even if you don't win, using read.co.uk could be really helpful for you guys finding a new job. You know, thousands of new jobs added every day. Top UK employers are using the website to look for people, so it's well worth having a look and using Read. And they also have grad schemes and graduate roles and all of that kind of stuff, so you can really specifically look for roles that are tailored to you. So I'm gonna go now anyway. We're gonna head out, try and find somewhere to sit and sort out our stuff for this week. I'm just finishing up these shelves, which I didn't do yesterday, and I have also been editing a few pictures from our shoot, which is taking me ages, but I'm gonna finish this off and then try and do a bit more editing. And then tonight I'm also going to see a couple of my uni girls. One of them is down from Edinburgh, Catherine, so we're gonna go for drinks near her and my other friend who lives in London, Riona. So that'll be nice. I'm gonna go for a couple of drinks. Can't stay too long because I've got lots to do today. It will be nice to see them. We're gonna go to the Faltering Fullback in Stoke Newington, which is one of my favourite pubs in London. It's cool in there. I think I must have vlogged it before. I think I have. Possibly last October even. But yeah, it took us hours and hours to plan this week because there's just lots to fit in before the end of Vlogtober and lots to be thinking about all at the same time. So it took us ages to work out when we could do what and what we could squeeze in this week and next week. But I'm excited for the end of October, for these last 10 days or so. I hope that it's going to be good for you guys as well. But anyway, I'm going to get on with this. It's mostly folding. I'm just removing some bits and bobs, but it's mostly just refolding it. Okay guys, so I have not finished all my tasks for the day, but I am going to go and meet my friends for a couple of drinks. I'm really hungry, and I can smell dinner's been made, but I cannot eat it, which I'm sad about. I'll have some when I get back, but things to do when I get home, that's for sure. This is my outfit today, by the way, you guys. I don't know if it's a little bit mismatched colour-wise, but I'm just going with it. I'm wearing this Free People top, my Whistles barrel leg jeans, my classic 1460 Doc Martens, and my classic All Saints leather jacket as well. So I'm gonna head out.
Line train via Paddington and Baker Street.
Here's my pint. It's not focusing. So I'm home, you guys. I am all ready for bed and I'm very excited to sleep. I've got some spot cream on my face because I've got some new ones popping up and I'm very ready to sleep. We've got a super busy day tomorrow and I'm already thinking definitely not going to get everything done that I want to. And I didn't finish everything that I wanted to do today either. Zach and I have just been doing our Duolingo for the day. I'm really enjoying it. I feel like my Spanish is improving again. Yeah, it's good. It's like slightly repetitive, which is good for when you're learning language. What do you think of Duolingo, Zach? Do you feel like you're learning loads of Spanish? Muy bien. I mean, when we have more time and stuff, we might consider doing some like actual stuff, like maybe watching some Spanish TV shows. I would like to read some Spanish books because isn't it nice to just know another language? I find it really infuriating when I was a teenager at school learning languages because I just felt like, first of all, we were being taught such boring, useless stuff, and second of all, I don't like not being like perfect at something, and with languages you have to like try, keep trying, be imperfect, and also keep trying for the rest of your life. Like you can't stop using it or you'll lose it. And I found all of that infuriating. But as I'm getting older, I've got a greater appreciation for these things. So excited to keep learning Spanish, basically, is the moral of that story. Anyway, you guys, sorry for today's vlog not being super interesting, but there is more interesting stuff coming up pretty much every day this week. It's just been one of those Mondays when you're just organising stuff, getting things sorted. We couldn't really film in the place that we went to have our kind of working brunch today. So and that was a big chunk of our day. It was many, many hours of planning. So not ideal, but it was nice. It is time to go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you again tomorrow. We'll be bopping around town taking some pictures, I think, tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I'm getting my nails done, which I'm very excited for. Can't wait. I'm like loving these, but I am also sick of them. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye.